Who is richer, the man with money or the man with peace? In a quiet village, far away from the noise of the city, there were no tall buildings, no traffic, no deadlines. Just open skies, slow mornings, and simple lives. One day, a black luxury car entered that village. It didn't belong there. It was too polished, too silent, too expensive. Inside sat a wealthy businessman. He owned multiple companies, luxury apartments, imported cars. His phone never stopped ringing. His calendar was always full. But his mind was never quiet. He had come to buy land, to build a grand resort, something profitable, something impressive, something bigger. As he stepped out of his car, he noticed a small tea stall under a banyan tree, a wooden table, a boiling kettle, a few glass jars with biscuits. Nothing more. Behind the stall stood a tea seller, smiling, laughing, serving tea like he had no worries in the world. Farmers stood around him, a school teacher, 2 drivers, all laughing together. The businessman frowned slightly. How could someone with so little look so peaceful? He walked closer. "Tea," he said. The tea seller handed him a small clay cup. "Fresh and hot, sir." The businessman took a sip. It was simple, strong, perfect. He looked at the tea seller carefully. "You seem very happy." "I am, sir," the tea seller replied warmly. "Why?" The tea seller smiled. "Why not?" The businessman was not convinced. "How much do you earn in a day?" "Enough." "Enough for what?" "Enough to feed my family." "Enough to save a little?" "Enough to sleep peacefully." The businessman shook his head. "You should expand this shop. Add chairs, sell snacks, open another branch." The tea seller listened patiently. "And then, sir?" "You'll earn more money." "And then?" "You can build a restaurant." "And then?" "You can open many restaurants." "And then?" The businessman hesitated. "Then you can retire early. Relax. Enjoy life. Live peacefully." The tea seller's eyes softened. "But sir, I already relax every afternoon. I already enjoy dinner with my children. I already sleep peacefully. So why should I run?" The question hung in the air, heavy, uncomfortable. The businessman's phone started vibrating. One missed call, then another. Messages piling up, deadlines waiting. He silenced it, for the first time that day. "Don't you want more?" he asked quietly. The tea seller stirred the tea slowly. "When my stomach is full, I stop eating. When my cup is full, I stop pouring. If I keep pouring, it spills. Sometimes, sir, more becomes too much." That sentence hit him hard. He remembered his son asking him to attend a school event. He didn't go. He remembered his wife waiting for a vacation. He postponed it. He remembered lying awake at night, thinking about profits, competition, expansion, fear of losing. He looked at the tea seller again. Simple clothes, simple stall, but a calm face, a steady breath, a peaceful heart. "You look tired, sir," the tea seller said gently. The businessman forced a smile. "I have responsibilities." The tea seller nodded. "So do I." but I chose my size. Some people wear shoes too big for their feet. They struggle to walk. I wear shoes that fit. Children ran past, laughing.
Uncle, save biscuits for us!
The tea seller laughed loudly. Always! The businessman watched carefully. There was no stress in that laughter, no pressure, just presence, just now. How much for the tea? 10 rupees. The businessman handed him 100. Keep the change. The tea seller returned the extra money. I don't need more, sir. In that moment, the businessman felt something strange. For the first time, money felt small. He walked back to his luxury car, sat inside, air conditioning on, leather seats, silence. Yet his chest felt heavier than ever. As the car drove away, he looked back. The tea seller was laughing again. Free, light, alive. Weeks passed. The businessman did not quit his work. He did not give away his wealth. But something changed. He started going home earlier. He switched off his phone during dinner. He attended his son's next event. He finally took that vacation. He still worked hard, but he stopped running blindly. He began asking one simple question. Why? Money can buy comfort. Money can buy security. Money can buy luxury. But it cannot buy contentment. Contentment is a decision. Peace is a choice. And true wealth is a calm mind. So tell me, who is richer? The man with money or the man with peace? Maybe the richest person is the one who knows when enough is enough. And maybe true success is not expanding your business, but expanding your peace. Let's learn new words. Word 1, expand, meaning to grow bigger. Sentence. The businessman wanted him to expand his shop. Word 2, peace, meaning a calm and quiet mind. Sentence. Peace is more valuable than money. Word 3, wealth, meaning a large amount of money or value. Sentence. True wealth is happiness. Word 4, contentment, meaning a feeling of satisfaction. Sentence. Contentment brings joy. Repeat after me. Happiness is a choice. Peace is true wealth. I value balance in life. Money is important, but peace is priceless. What matters more to you, money or peace? Comment your answer.